On today's episode, I'm taking the 350Z to Dynodaze.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Sorry about the lighting, but been busy this weekend, so it's the only time I can do the talk to the camera stuff. So I took it Dynodaze just to see how healthy the engine is, and it impressed me. It's running 260 at the crank. Dyno run. I was watching, saw him do the first power run. I'll insert the clip, and so it's only making 212. I was like, that can't be right. They gave me just to confirm what I was thinking. It was under reading, and the printout said 260 at the crank and then 215 at the wheels. I think the standard at 280. I think the first DE generation, which this is. So it's not lost too much power in 15 years. And then another reason for going was because my car's pretty stock at the minute, so like a baseline for when I start modifying it. So at the minute I've got a dodgy exhaust, so that needs doing. Ordered a Mishimoto induction kit, so I'm waiting for that. And then obviously other mods, hopefully, and just like a baseline. I'm going to do full liquid service, so engine service, diff service and gearbox service. That should free up some drivetrain loss, I hope, so I might get more wheel horsepower. And then I also did my oil catch can after 600 miles. I'll insert the clip here as well. Hello, it's been about 600 miles since I fitted the catch can, so I'm in the process of emptying it and see how much crap it's caught. So I've already took off the Jubilee clips, so I'm going to rip these out, take those three out, hopefully take it all off as one, and unthread it. So I've removed the hoses, didn't really look that bad in there, but we'll soon find out. So take these three off. Is it weighty?
A little bit, yeah.
Shaky, it's a bit slushy.
Yeah, something in there. No, separate the top.
Ain't too bad. It's only smidgens. Ain't too bad for 600 miles, is it?
Right.
It smells like fuel. Is it just black?
Yeah, it's just oil.
Yeah, sometimes it can go really gunky, can't it?
Yeah. I used to get a lot of water.
literally just oil.
This is a
I was expecting worse. Obviously, I've got a good engine.
Good breathing engine, I guess.
Needs an oil service though. Yeah. Happy days. That was a crappy short video. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more content. Like I said, 650 miles on the first inspection. I took it apart, and again I was surprised because I've seen quite a few bad cars or engines with like oil and then froth and then water and other crap in there, but mine was literally just like 10 mil of oil. So again, must prove that my engine's fairly healthy if it's not lost so much power and not much blow by going from the engine. So quite pleased with the buy, I guess. Since it's 50 and 04 plate a DE. Apparently it's only been to Nissan, so that's probably why it's running so well, I'm guessing. Because it's been to the best. Apologies for the audio, because it's just on a GoPro, so I've not got a microphone on that in a minute, and the lighting. But I'm just trying this out, because I've just recently got the GoPro and the window mount suction cup thing. So if you enjoyed this episode or want to know more information, comment below, give us a like, and as always, peace out.